Want this Twitch shake in your edits? Let me show you how. First, get your clips ready with Trickster and Zoom. Then add an adjustment layer and add the Twitch effect to it. Now click the stopwatch icon for amount and set it to 180. Then go a few frames forward and set the amount to 0. Now set the speed to 30. Now let's open up the Enable tab and enable Blur, Light and Slide. Now select all the keyframes and press F9 to easy ease them. Then open up the graph editor and copy my graph. Now go to Operator Controls and open Slide. Let's create a keyframe for slide direction and set it to -45. Go a few frames forward and set it to -100. And now you'll get something like this. For the last part, let's add s_shake and set the amplitude to 0.2 and turn on motion blur. And that's it, your Twitch shake is ready. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.